These three cabinet choices look good on paper, but in real kitchens, they cause the biggest headaches and cost homeowners thousands to fix. If you're planning a kitchen remodel, this might save you a ton of regret. The number one thing that's very popular here in California is a compost container. They're making us put this over here in California, a compost container in yours. I would avoid it. This sounds really disgusting. You put this in your cabinet next to your trash can, you put your compost in there, put it in there, then throw it away. If you're into composting, I personally like do it outside or do it in the garage. I wouldn't do it in the kitchen. I think it's something that's going away. So get rid of the compost. Number two, now this is my personal opinion. When it comes to something I kind of hate having in our kitchen is rollouts. I would avoid rollouts. If you're putting in rollouts in your kitchen, might as well just put drawer boxes. You're already there. So I would just put the drawer box. It's easier. You give you some more room instead of having a rollout where you have to open the door, get down there, open the rollout. Most rollouts are only 4.5 inches tall. Just go for the drawer box. It looks so much better. It's so much easier. Avoid the rollouts. Go straight to the drawer box. Most people focus on how cabinets look, but it's how they function that actually impacts your daily life and resale value. That's why we put together the ultimate kitchen cabinet renovation guide. It breaks down what you can expect at every budget level from $5,000 to $50,000 and which design decision matter most. Grab it for free at the link below. Number three. Now, I don't have nothing to show you on number three because here in the showroom, we got rid of it already, is a Lazy Susan with the center pole. Get rid of that. Don't choose that. Don't add that in your kitchen. You're gonna regret it. Those things are terrible. I would just get rid of the Lazy Susans that have the pole. They seem to break down a lot. They're annoying. Things fall in the back. There's so much better stuff now. You could do a shelf with the Lazy Susan where it spins, more durable, it's a little stronger. They got many variations of different types of Lazy Susans. So avoid the Lazy Susan with that center pole coming down. Trust me, you're not gonna like it. I hate repairing them. Always gotta repair them. They're always breaking down. So avoid it. If this helped you avoid some common cabinet traps, you'll definitely want to watch this video next. It walks through the 5 things people regret not adding to their kitchen remodel. These are the upgrades that actually make life easier and they're surprisingly affordable. Watch that next.